Here is how to skip cart in WooCommerce. This method works really well for getting customers to check out faster. Go to your WordPress dashboard, hit Plugins, then Add New. Search for Direct Checkout for WooCommerce. The one by QuadLayers is what you want. Install it, then activate it. Once that's done, find WooCommerce in your sidebar and look for Direct Checkout. That's where all the good stuff is. Set Added to Cart Redirect to Yes, then pick Checkout Page from the dropdown right below it. Pretty straightforward. Save those changes and you're halfway there. But here's the thing, WooCommerce has its own cart settings that mess with this, so you need to turn those off too. Head to WooCommerce Settings, then the Products tab. Scroll down until you see Add to Cart Behavior. There are two checkboxes there that need to be unchecked if they are checked. One says something about redirecting to cart, the other is about AJAX buttons. Just uncheck both of them. Save again, then test it out. Go to any product on your site and hit Add to Cart. You should skip right past the cart and land on checkout. Your customers can pay immediately instead of clicking through extra pages.